So the last week I took some days off, went on a holiday to Hungary and tested out the camera of the new Oneplus 7 Pro, and we also compared it to the iPhone XS Max and the Pixel 3a XL. So let's find out which smartphone actually performs the best. So first of all, we need to check out the camera setups, as all of the phones are quite different here. The Oneplus 7 Pro is the first of the company's phones to feature a triple sensor primary camera. The 7 Pro's 3-lens arrangement is fronted by a 48 megapixel primary sensor, the same Sony IMX586 sensor found inside everything from the Xiaomi Mi 9 and the Honor View 20 to the Black Shark 2 and of course the standard OnePlus 7. The sensor also features an f1.6 aperture, OIS, so optical image stabilization, and a custom 7-element lens that OnePlus says it could help with fringing and distortion at the edge of the frame. Just above the main sensor is the phone's secondary 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, which sports an f2.2 aperture and a broad 117-degree field of view, while down at the bottom lurks its 8 megapixel 3x zoom telephoto lens with an f2.4 aperture and OIS. Definitely the most advanced camera setup here. The iPhone comes, as we all know, with a dual rear camera which remains at 12 megapixel, and they are still f1.8 for the wide angle and f2.4 for the telephoto. However, these pixels are much larger and deeper, allowing more light into the sensor, and both rear sensors still feature OIS. The Pixel 3a XL has a 12.2 megapixel sensor and an f1.8 aperture lens on the back, and it's the same like in the Google Pixel 3. Also, the single 8 megapixel selfie cam on the front remains the same. The only hardware difference is that the Pixel 3a lacks the Google custom Pixel Visual Core processor, so it has to do more image processing on the main CPU and GPU. So now let's see how different videos and pictures are really on these phones. So guys, we're testing right now the video quality of the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Google Pixel 3a XL and the iPhone XS Max. So currently all the phones are recording in what, Balash?
4K 60, 4K 60 and just a Pixel is at 4K 30, it doesn't do more.
Alright, so let's check it out. We're here at beautiful Balaton, and as you can see there are some wakeboarders, and let's see which kind of videos we can get with the zoom as well. Alright, so when you have a look at the footage in 4K from the iPhone and the OnePlus, then you can see that they offer way more details as the 4K footage of the Pixel. But still, the footage of the Pixel is not too bad at all. So if you can live with it, even the less expensive Pixel is doing good in 4K. However, 4K on the iPhone and the OnePlus looks really good. Still, the iPhone applies a way too warm white balance, which turns the actual blue border into a greenish hue. This is exactly what you get when you mix blue with a bit of yellow. In my eyes, and also remembering the light conditions at that day, the OnePlus did really the best. So here, some more footage.
So guys, we're recording now on 4K 60 on the OnePlus 7 Pro, 4K 60 on the iPhone XS Max and 4K 30 on the Pixel 3a XL. So let's walk around here, let's check out the image stabilization, sharpness and everything, and yeah, let me know down below in the comments which phone you think performs the best. There we go. So guys, we're doing now a front-facing camera comparison. Now all the smartphones are shooting in 1080p 30 frames. So check this out right now. Beautiful lighting actually right now. Regarding the colors, I really like them on the OnePlus 7 Pro, if you check it out right now on the display. So the sky has a really nice tone. On the iPhone it's also very natural. On the Google Pixel, well, as you can see, dynamic range is not as good as on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the iPhone XS Max. But all in all have pretty decent front-facing cameras. And Balázs, what do you say?
Let me check. iPhone, the sky looks the best. Pixel, also similar to the iPhone, and OnePlus 7 has weird colors. It's reddish. Am I that red?
Maybe your skin tone is a little bit too red.
Yeah, it's too much saturation on the
But the dynamic
OnePlus.
range on the Pixel doesn't look good, as you can see. There's too much white stuff.
Yes, and the best is actually the iPhone right now.
Actually, well,
Look at the background.
Probably,
Look at the
yeah.
ships.
yeah, looking pretty cool. So check it out, guys. Also here, background details, sharpness. We don't want to see you, bro. Yeah, that's the front-facing camera on the phones. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys prefer, which smartphone you like the most, and I'm really curious about your opinion.
After rewatching the videos for countless times, when it comes to videos on the selfie camera, I think the camera video quality crown goes to the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has super natural colors with a bit of warm touches and good detail and sharpness. The Pixel has definitely the worst dynamic range, but it's still doing an okay job. Now when it comes to the rear camera, I'd say it's a close battle between the OnePlus 7 Pro and the iPhone, but the OnePlus 7 Pro takes the crown here as well because of the detail, especially when you look at objects more far away or the asphalt on the street. But let me know your opinion in the comments and let's check out some pictures. So guys, here are a few daylight sample pictures, and even though it's stunning what the Pixel can achieve with just a single camera, it would have a hard time competing with a OnePlus 7 or a OnePlus 7 Pro. Same for the iPhone. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the best details, sharpness, especially when you have a look at the trees, the stones or the watermelon. Also colors are really saturated on point without oversaturation. So for me it's seriously the winner here. Same pretty much goes to the front-facing camera. But as always, pictures and picture algorithms come really down to personal preference. That's why Sony is also showing similar pictures to people and lets them choose their favorite one to improve the algorithm and make the pictures look like the majority of people wants them to look. But let me know your opinion down below in the comments. And now let's check out how the cameras perform under low light conditions.
So guys, here's a quick front-facing camera comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro, the iPhone, and here the 3A XL. And as you can see, actually exposure looks really the best on the OnePlus 7 Pro, so you can really see my skin tone, especially if I go here outside into the complete darkness. You can still see me talking, while on the iPhone you can't see anything, and on the Pixel it's even worse. So let's go back inside, let's turn on the light, and there we go. So we have here some really nice Philips Hue, and oh my god, you see it right now on the OnePlus 7 Pro, it looks really good. There we go. And the light is on, and it's a really tricky lighting situation because of all the hue lights right over here. But as you can see, skin tone, iPhone really natural, OnePlus changes the white balance quite often but looks really good as well. And Pixel, I look really reddish in my skin, it looks kind of weird. But yeah, I would say winner is the iPhone, but the OnePlus 7 Pro is also looking really good here. So guys, here's again another low light video test on the OnePlus 7, on the iPhone and the 3A XL. So the 3A XL shows already a lot of noise and has right now a little bit of trouble with the focus. So let's get it to try to focus. Yeah, on the OnePlus we cannot see anything right now, so it's really dark. Let's try to crank up the brightness here a little bit.
So when it comes to videos, the OnePlus did the best on the front in low light and the Pixel on the back. But for that you need to deal with a lot of noise and focus pulsing. Now when it comes to pictures, the Pixel does incredibly well, but I don't like that look too much as it's very noisy and too artificial for the lighting scene. The OnePlus has also a lot of noise and even a weird color tone. The iPhone remained pretty natural, but the image was very dark. Now I would really like to see a mix of the Pixel and the iPhone. So in the next video I'm gonna try the Google Camera app on the OnePlus 7 Pro and will let you know how it performs. But that's the low light performance on the phones. So last but not least, only the zoom is left. The OnePlus has the most zoom with its 3x zoom, but actually OnePlus did a little trick here which I have to address. Basically yes, the 13 megapixel sensor has a 2.2x equivalent focal length, which when cropped to 8 megapixel is 3x. So as you can see also here in the videos, it's not the most good looking one, but it's really nice to have and comes in handy in many situations. Alright guys, so we're now here at the end of this video. Let me know which phone you like the best and post your opinion down below in the comments. If you like this video, then please like it. It was really a lot of work. So thanks for watching this review. If you want to see more, then please subscribe. And as always guys, I'm Steven from TechMagnet and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day and bye.